Good morning, children. Good morning to everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Children, today we are having a combined class of 4th A and 4th B. So let everybody join and then we are going to begin.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning. Please let me take your
Ma'am,
attendance.
today can we do quiz?
You want to do quiz? Okay, what did we do yesterday? We were doing something. We were doing dictation words, 4th B. I'm asking from 4th B.
Words.
Had we completed all the words, 20 words?
Ma'am, we have done the exercise and reading and the dictation words of the chapter.
Okay. Then what about this one, 4th A? Fourth A, what did we do last? Fourth A is not speaking. What is wrong, children? Don't you know what was done with you in your last class? Noel?
Yes, ma'am.
What did I do with you in the last class?
Ma'am, we were doing the question answers of the chapter Peninsular Region.
Okay, we have to begin the question answers, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good.
ma'am.
And Reyansh, listen.
Yes, ma'am.
Had we completed the exercises in your class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes,
today,
ma'am, we have.
yes?
Ma'am, we have completed the exercise. Now we have to start from question answers.
That's very nice. So both the classes are going together. Let's begin with the question answers.
Question.
Everybody now, those who have joined late. Okay, children, let other children join and then I'm going to speak it once for all.
Ma'am, there is a combined class today?
Yes, beta. Beta, today there is a combined class.
Okay, ma'am.
Otherwise, you had which period today?
Ma'am, maths. Ma'am, maths.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, maths.
Fine.
Now we will do question answer. Ma'am. Ma'am, it is again a combined class. Ma'am. Ma'am, what we are going to do?
Yes. So, children, everybody now listen. Write down the heading that you have already written on the dictation words, right? Just write down
Yes,
question
ma'am.
number 1 and start. Write question number 1 and get ready. Chapter 17, question number 1, answer in brief. Name the boundaries of the Southern Plateau. Okay, just write it and be ready. I'm going to tell you the answer.
Date. Ma'am, we have not done chapter 16.
We have done, beta. You have not done. Everyone has done in the class.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we are doing chapter 17 question and answer.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Edition. Chapter. Ma'am, yesterday I tried to find this answer, but I could not find.
Okay. So this answer is very simple. You will not find it in your books also. Fine. You will not find it in your books. Now I'm going to tell you what the answer is.
But ma'am, please wait. I am writing the question. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, when we are doing a difficult verse, I have written the chapter name there. So, ma'am, I have to write the chapter name again.
No, no, don't write it. Just write question number 1. And write the question, what are the boundaries of the Southern Plateau?
Ma'am, but in the question, name the boundaries of the southern.
Yes. It's one and the same bit. Name or what are the boundaries? In what also you have to name the boundaries. So, okay, children, any guesses? We have this Deccan Plateau region, right? Now, when you look at the Deccan Plateau, can you just make a guess what it is bordered by? What are the boundaries of the Deccan Plateau? On the right-hand side or on the left-hand side? On the eastern side, on the western side? Tell me. It's very easy. It is very easy. On the right-hand side or on the eastern side, we have the Eastern Ghats. And on the western side, we have the
Western Ghats.
Western Ghats. And then on the top, there is this thing, one mountain range. Which is that mountain range? Yes, just think and tell.
Ma'am, Himalayas.
Himalayas. Summer? Summer, where are Himalayas? Which range are you saying? But Vindhya range. Which one, beta?
Satpura and Vindhya range.
Yes.
Aravali and Vindhya.
No, it is the Vindhya range. On the north of the Deccan Plateau region, we have the Vindhya range. And on the sides, we have the Western Ghat and the Eastern Ghat. Okay? And summer Himalayas are even above Jammu and Kashmir.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can
Start writing. You want me to type in the chat box?
Ma'am, we are writing answer these questions in brief.
Yes, beta, we are doing answer these questions in brief.
Can you write in the chat box?
Please
Can you dictate the answer?
write in the chat box.
I'm writing in the chat box so that no one has any problem. Sometimes these answers are not in the book. Why? They are based on your general thinking. You have to think what the answer is because you have studied this thing so many times in all the chapters that now I think the whole map of India should be clear and fit in your minds.
And ma'am, in the end of the book, there is map. You have done the map.
You have? There is a map and then?
We have done the tab. Map. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we have done this map. So the
And there
boundaries
is one
of...
game also of map.
Yes? What?
Ma'am, what?
The boundaries of the Southern Plateau are the Western Ghats.
Sorry, ma'am, for late due to net problem.
The boundaries of the Southern Plateau are the Western Ghats on the west.
What
side.
we are doing?
Who is asking this? Girl?
Ma'am, what we are
Devyanshu. Devyanshu, as usual, better you're daily late. We are doing question answers of chapter 17. Okay. All right. Write down question 1 in your copy and I'm typing the answer in the chat box. I have not sent the answer so far. So it's okay. Now just be ready, write the question. Till then, other children who are already in the class, start writing the boundaries of the Southern Plateau. Summer, please don't speak in between, beta. You really, sometimes children really break the rhythm. Just raise your hands. Have you forgotten the rules of this online class?
Ma'am,
The boundaries of the southern plateau are Western Ghats on the western side.
Ma'am, which chapter?
Who is this child? I think now I should just restrict your entry in the class. After 5 minutes, I should not let children enter the class. Whosoever is in the class within 5 minutes is fine. From tomorrow, I'm just going to disable this entry. I will not allow any participant to join my class after 5 minutes.
Ma'am, tomorrow is PTM, so ma'am,
Tomorrow is PTM, but you have your regular classes. There is no off for you.
But ma'am,
tomorrow is no off.
I asked the Palak ma'am, so she has said there will be no classes.
There'll be no classes. Today also we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
PTM of class 3 and the classes are going on.
Yes, ma'am, but other
Anyways, maybe it has been changed. Earlier it was that classes will go on like this. Maybe this thing has changed. Now, the boundaries of the southern plateau are Western Ghats on the western side, Eastern Ghats on the eastern side,
Eastern side.
the Vindhya
Range in the
hill range on the northern side of this plateau. Otherwise, this Vindhya range is not on the northern side of India. It is only on the northern side of the southern plateau. Why? Because it lies in central India. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, this much only that you send in the chat.
Yes, yes. This is the only answer. Srishti, we are doing chapter number 17 and question answers. Yes, Summer, you have raised your hand. Tell me what you want.
Ma'am, I was asking about the answer of this question, but now you have sent.
Okay.
On the western side.
Children, why are you okay? Your cameras are off because you're writing.
No, ma'am, because ma'am, I am seeing in the chat box, so my camera get
That is what I'm
automatically.
saying, because you are writing from the chat box, so your cameras are off. Your cameras are closed. Okay. As you write, please raise your hand.
Okay.
Ma'am, through the screen.
Yes, through the screen. Not through the camera, only through the screen. Okay? And get ready by writing question number 2.
Ma'am.
And the Vindhya Hills range and the hill on the north side of
Ma'am, I have raised
northern
my
side
hand.
of okay.
And ma'am, I am ready with question 2 also.
What is this? What is that?
between the Andaman and the Lakshadweep in the in Andaman and then I have raised my hand because I have done.
Now ready with the next question?
No, ma'am.
Yes.
No? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm writing question number 2. No, ma'am. I am writing
Right,
question.
children, write it,
I
no
have done
problem.
answer.
Can I try to find the answer of second one?
Yes, what are you saying?
Ma'am, can I try to find the answer number
Yes,
2?
definitely, definitely. Those who have done have to look for the next answer.
Ma'am, written question.
Very few children have raised their hands till now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's all.
Ma'am, question number answer 1.
Ma'am, I have done it. I have raised hand and lower hand also.
Pratishta, say again, what are you saying?
Ma'am, I have written answer number 1 and writing question number 2.
Okay.
Ma'am, for a minute, I am closing my video.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, for the next question and its answer, we have to make a line in between because, ma'am, we have to differentiate between the Lakshadweep and the Andaman, Andaman
Yes.
and Nicobar.
Yes. You can make a line, make a nice block. Okay. And then we'll write this answer.
Okay, ma'am.
I will not be able to type in the chat box making a block, but you people should do it by making a block in your copies.
the answer I have written, the difference between the Andaman and the Lakshadweep Island is and a line in between.
Okay, very nice. So children, now can I start with the next answer?
Yes,
What is the
ma'am.
difference between the Andaman Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Andaman Nicobar, we all know the Andaman Islands are in the Bay of Bengal. Everybody
Bengal.
start writing your answer. Answer number 2. The Andaman Islands are in the Bay of Bengal. The Lakshadweep Islands are in, where are Lakshadweep Islands?
Ma'am, in Arabian Sea.
Yes, they are in the Arabian Sea. This is the
Arabian
first
Sea.
difference.
Ma'am, can we write in points?
Yes, you can write in points also.
Or ma'am, can we write in paragraph too?
No, not paragraph, because these differences and all look good in block, they look good in points, not a complete paragraph.
Okay, ma'am. I will write in points.
Yes, the first point I have sent in the chat box. Then let's talk about what other difference can we talk about? That the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are really huge. Why? Because they have over 500 islands.
Ma'am, but less than 40 islands are inhabited.
That's no problem, but there are still so many islands in the Bay of Bengal. But if we see in the this Arabian Sea, the Lakshadweep Islands are they are not as many as the ones in the Bay of Bengal.
Ma'am, we have to draw a line in between.
Yes, you have to draw a line in between.
Lakshadweep Island.
The Andaman Nicobar Islands are very large in number. They are more than 500 islands. The Lakshadweep Islands are just around 40 in number. And the last is, can anybody guess the third difference?
Ma'am, the occupations of farming.
So there also we have fishing and tourism. Occupation.
Ma'am, Anjali has sent climate.
No, beta, the climate is almost the same.
Possibly as the capital of Andaman Nicobar Island.
Okay, now these are the three differences that you have to write.
Then I am point number 2 of Lakshadweep.
Ma'am, write the point.
Ma'am, I am writing question 3.
I'm writing answer number 2 and writing question
Ma'am,
number
written. What minerals are found in Chak? Please go. Ma'am, the next question is so easy. Ma'am, if we know the answer 3, so ma'am, can we write by our own?
Yes, children, for sure you can write answer number 3 on your own.
Ma'am, written answer number 2, writing question 3. Ma'am, written question 3.
Now, what is the answer of question number 3? Name the
Ma'am, I know.
minerals found in Chhattisgarh.
Ma'am, the minerals of Chhattisgarh are coal, iron, and bauxite.
Yes, there are 3 minerals that are found there: coal, iron, and bauxite. The minerals found in
Ma'am, please. Ma'am, I have written the minerals of Chhattisgarh are
the minerals found in Chhattisgarh are coal, iron, and bauxite. The answer is in the chat box, Vita.
Ma'am, written. The minerals found in Chandigarh are coal, iron, and bauxite. Question 4. First, I will sharp my pencil. Question 3, question 4. What are the 2 main divisions of Peninsula India? Immediately. Now I have to erase it. Written question 4. Ma'am, please wait for 10 minutes.
10 minutes. The class is left for 5 minutes.
Ma'am, only 5 minutes are left.
Yes.
Ma'am, only 5 minutes are left.
Yes, beta, I know.
Okay, ma'am.
Srishti, take a screenshot, beta, so that you can write these answers later. Take a screenshot.
Okay, ma'am. I always take a screenshot.
Everybody has written question number 4.
am one question. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, question number 4 is, what are the 2 main divisions of Peninsula India? Can anybody tell?
Ma'am,
Yes, tell.
2 main divisions of Peninsula India are the Malwa Plateau and the Chota Nagpur Plateau.
Very nice. The 2 main divisions of the Peninsula India are the Malwa Plateau and the
Chota Nagpur Plateau. Ma'am, please state the answer again.
The 2 main divisions of the Peninsula India are the Malwa Plateau and the Chota Nagpur Plateau. The answer is in the chat box. Srishti, please take a screenshot of this answer, and everybody else who writes a little slow, please take the screenshot.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
take.
done.
Good.
Ma'am, I have done this answer also.
Very nice. Summer, write down the next question.
Okay, ma'am.
That is
What
a
is the
very
capital of-
easy question. That is a very easy one.
Ma'am, last one is also too easy.
Yes, that
Ma'am,
is
it is
what I'm
asking the
saying.
capital city of
Yes,
Andaman
yes.
and Nicobar Islands. Yeah. Ma'am, done answer 4. It is too easy.
Ma'am, I have done the answer 4.
Ma'am, today I can post the work.
Yes, post it. But
But
Summer, your photographs are not very like your writing is too light. Why is that so? I have seen your handwriting is too light, or maybe the photography done is very dull. It is not like
Ma'am,
very
it's the
vibrant.
question 4. I mean answer
Ma'am,
4.
ma'am, the flash of my camera gets on. That's why it comes.
Okay, so can't the flash be closed?
Yes, ma'am, it can be closed. Ma'am, I will close it now.
Yes, now close it and then send the picture.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, the answer of the question number 5 is in the answer number 2. Ma'am,
Yes,
the third
yes.
point that is of Andaman and
Ma'am,
Nicobar
I can.
is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Island.
Yes, yes, yes. Very nice. What is the capital of
Ma'am,
Andaman and
I can
Nicobar?
send in 4 things.
Port Blair.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, Port Blair.
What is the date today, children? 9?
Ma'am,
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
9 December 2020.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I can send in 4th.
Yes. Who can send in 4th? No, a 4th student will send in 4th.
Ma'am, I.
Avika, okay. Have you completed your work?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can send in 4th. But your pictures should be very clear, okay?
Ma'am, done answer
Okay,
5
ma'am.
also.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Now
done answer 5 of section D.
Summer, now you can